Todd, the place looks awesome, man. So here's kind of what I'm thinking. I'll show you these fixtures. I'll hold them out and video them. But basically, I've got a fixture that we can put along that lower band beam. It's about 10 foot off the floor, all the way through 4 of those fixtures that are out on 24-inch poles, copper poles. That allows us, and it swivels down, that allows us to get up into the top gable section from both sides. So 4 on that side, 4 on this other side up here, and then these up-down sconces that I've got for these big corner posts here. Those 4 points, put them about 1/3 of the way up, and then it punches the light up and down as well. And then for your stained glass window, and to fill in the wall over here, put 2 of the fixture I'll pull out and show you, and kind of set them to where they'll go straight up on this side and this side as well. And that really creates a good overall perimeter and upper focus of the lighting, and a lot of that will spill back down, of course, depending on the finish that you got. But I'll show some pictures and some other videos. Check these other ones out. So basically this is it, Todd. This fixture gets mounted to this side beam, and I'm at 10 foot up, and then it comes out and it hits a swivel, and it's able to catch everything under that beam, and it pushes over to the beam on the other side and goes about halfway up the ridge from that beam right there, going up to the peak on the other side. So 4 down this side, 4 down the other side, and that gets your edges lit, and it punches your cathedral. And it's cool looking. Then Todd, basically on this section, on the edges, using this fixture here, which is the same exact fixture as the sides, but this allows us to put 2 of them up on each side point to punch up through, and that's going to highlight the stained glass as well, and kind of glaze out the front of it, graze the front of it, and the same thing, do that in the back, so that way you've got a real consistent look going on all the way up there. And again, that's your fixture right there. And then this fixture right here, Todd, this up-down sconce, the way I'm seeing it, if we mount these here, it's going to punch light up, and it's going to carry it down as well to your stone cap. And if we set it up probably about 1/3 of the way up the distance on this wall, the spread coming off the top will go wider, and the bottom will get more defined to really punch down into the lower section, into the mantle or the hearth as well. With your TV going up on that wall, I want to avoid putting anything at the base of the hearth that's going to spread up. So yeah, that's it, brother. Pretty cool little light, and I can put a prismatic lens on the bottom with a hex glare filter, so it chambers the light, so it keeps from spreading out into the room too much. But that's the sconce selection I'd like to use in here. Thanks. And basically the bar area, look at maybe doing a couple of these fixtures here.